I'd like to thank you for choosing AppGini to create your data applications. AppGini is very easy to use, but it might feel a bit overwhelming at first. So I've created this video to cut through the noise and show you how to get started and have a fully functional application in just a few minutes. Before we start, let me explain what the purpose of AppGini is. You might be a business owner or part of the team in a company or some organization, and you need a way to manage your operations, your data, your customers, your products, your employees, or any other assets you need to manage. You might have some data in Excel, or you might be using paper forms, or you might be using some other software that doesn't quite fit your needs. You might have thought of hiring a developer to create a custom software for you. But the problem is that this can be very expensive, and it can take a few weeks or even a few months to get the software you need. And even after you get the software, you'll probably need to make changes to it. This means you need to pay more money to the developer to make these changes, and you will have to wait a few more weeks or months to get these changes done. This is where AppGini really shines. AppGini allows you to create a custom software for your needs in just a few minutes. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to hire a developer. You don't need to wait for weeks or months to get your software. You can create your software yourself, and you can make changes to it yourself, and you can have a fully functional software in just a few minutes, complete with user authentication, granular permissions, and a responsive design that works on all devices. I won't claim that AppGini can do everything, but it can get you like 90% of the way there. And for the remaining 10%, you can hire a developer to make the changes you need. Or if you're a bit tech-savvy, you can make these changes yourself. AppGini makes it easy to extend your application using hooks, which are easy to learn and don't require any advanced programming skills. And because AppGini makes it very easy to make changes to your application, including adding new tables, fields, and views, you don't need to plan everything in advance. You can start with a simple application and add more features as you go. Watch our next video to see how we can build a working inventory management application in just a few minutes.